Hello, my beloved people. It's another one. Welcome back to our channel, my lovelies. I would like to show you how this bitter leaf has been prepared. How to make a proper sweet bitter leaf. To wash your bitter leaf, okay? This is how it all started. So you start by plugging out the leaves on the tree, as you see me doing here. When I'm done, even in the process, you can just do some bongo challenge for yourself. Yes, guys, it's part of the trio, you know. When you're done with the plucking, you bring it to the sun to shine on it for some minutes. But here there's no sunlight. It's been raining and I had to use some salt, and then I gently squeeze through. You don't add water for the first wash, okay? This is exactly how your hands supposed to be moving as you do it. So at the point we go vigorous, okay? And it won't take long before water starts coming out, as you can see there. See, this lip is very succulent, so it produces its own water. You want it to have that wetting effect. Even when you couldn't put it under the sun, you can always use salt to wash the first wash. Get extra because it felt like it's moving out. Anyhow, it's going to be properly managed. So when it gets to this point, you can wash off.